Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to do this Monokuma makeup look. So let's get started. So as you can see, before I started the video, I primed my face, I moisturized it, I foundationed my face and put concealer on my eyes to prime them. So do that just to get started. Just jumping right into this tutorial. Just like with my Monokuma makeup tutorial, I'm going to do 2 eye looks on each eye. So to start out, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, sorry, I stuttered, eyeshadow palette. And let me just show you what color I'm going to start off with. I'm going to start off with this. And you want to lightly press. This is a darker orange eyeshadow compared to what I'm used to. But you just want to apply it. Don't overdo it. Just put it into your crease. This is going to be your transition shade. And it's also going to be your guideline. So when you apply the glittery eyeshadow on your eyelid, you don't want to bring it above this transition shade. So once again, I got an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette for Christmas. I think last year was the Beauty Gems makeup kit, but hold on, let me show you what color I'm going to use next. I'm going to use this shade in my outer corner. Apparently, I have no way to look into a close mirror because I'll show you eventually. But you just want to slightly put it in your crease, but you want it mostly in your outer corner. And you can see where I'm going with this since this is a Monokuma cosplay. If you saw my Instagram story, you know that I was out of cosplay. I was fully glammed up in makeup and I was doing an eye look like this. Although it was kind of hard to tell, which is a good thing, but I'm getting onto something. When I used a dark brown right here, it wasn't very pigmented. So once again, I'm deciding to use this L'Oreal Paris Nude Intense eyeshadow palette and use this color as always. And put that just in my outer corner, not blended or anything. And you don't want to overdo it because I actually just forgot right now that this eyeshadow is very pigmented. Okay, I fucked up. I'm gonna blend this out and fix it. Also, this might be the first makeup tutorial in 2023 where I'm not using the Beauty Gems makeup kit because last night, again, when I used it, I used that red like I used in my Chica makeup tutorial, if you remember, and it matched way too well with this eyeshadow, this red eyeshadow right here. So, let me show you what color I'm going to use. I think I'm gonna go with this. I know what I'm doing. I think I know what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna pack that on. And I'm all done. Now you can hopefully understand why I didn't use a mirror. And I just looked into the camera. This is huge. Wait, I take it back. I am going to use the Beauty Gems makeup kit still because I forgot I need to do a completely different eye look on this eye. You've probably seen me do this a lot by now, but I'm taking this light brown shade, putting that into my crease. Again, with the brown shade from This eyeshadow palette, I'm taking a very small amount. I completely forgot how pigmented this eyeshadow is. You want to drag it up to your crease, and you want to mostly blend it out in the outer corner, but also take whatever's left on the brush down to your outer lower lash line. Just taking a very tiny amount here so it's a little more visible. If you need to build up the intensity, you can, but just be very careful if you're using an eyeshadow palette like this. Finally, from my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this color right here on my eyelid. And it's not a very visible color. It just gives some goldish brown sheen, some glitter, like that glittery look, and that's all you really need for the eyeshadows. This Take Me Back to Brazil palette also has some highlighter, so I'm going to take it right here, and I'm going to put that in both my inner corners. But with the other eye, I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. To finish off the eye makeup, of course you'll want to do a winged liner. And I'm doing my wing in a certain way. I feel like I should warn you, I make my eyeliner very uneven on this eye, so brace yourself. I'm going to try my best to make it perfect. I fixed it off camera. It was a little uneven, but it wasn't awful like last night when I did this makeup look. Obviously not exactly the same exact eye makeup look, just the red on both eyes. Of course, as always, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to coat them in mascara, and then while that's happening, I already applied glue to my eyelashes. I feel like while I'm doing my mascara, now's a good time to coat my eyebrow. I'm sorry, I pull my wig back a little. Yeah, didn't I do that before? Just to make it black like the wig, and I'll leave this eyebrow alone since it's on the white half of the wig. These eyelashes, by the way, are from Lash Kit Couture. I think that's the right way to refer to the brand. I'll have more information about it in the description, as always. I'm going to use this color right here to contour one side of my face. Then some highlighter on my top cheek. And for blush on the other half of my face, just going to apply it here with my brush from Unicorn Cosmetics I got for Christmas. Going back to the eyes, gonna carefully do my lower lashes with the same mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Finally, for the lips, gonna take this, I keep forgetting what it is, Super Stay Ink Crayon from Maybelline New York. Gonna line my lips with it, and then I'm gonna fill them in with the actual lipstick, also from Maybelline. Alright, and this is the final look. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!